GFCIs are required by most building codes in wet locations like kitchens or bathrooms or in outdoor settings. However, on construction sites, they are mandatory per OSHA standard, unless you have an assured equipment connector grounding program. Today, I want to do a demonstration of what it's like if you have a GFCI, but you don't have a ground. The way a GFCI works is it monitors the electrical current coming out and returning from the neutral. That's the hot and the neutral. If that imbalance is more than 4 milliamps, it shuts it off immediately. Most often, that imbalance travels through the grounding pin. Now I'm going to plug in to this box. This test box is 110 volts, 10 amp, and the electricity comes in, goes to this light switch, and I can turn the light on and off for demonstration purposes. But it feeds this GFCI. Now I'm going to plug in the GFCI right here, and you're going to notice, it's kind of hard to see here, but we have two orange lights. And according to the chart on the top, it says it's wired correctly and it has a ground. Now I'm going to press the black button at the top, and that black button is going to create a short to the ground and causing this to shut off immediately. You ready? There, it worked. Now I'm going to pull this out now, and I'm going to reset my GFCI so it's on again working, and I want to add an attachment that you can still buy today, and I don't know why, but you can still buy them today. It's a little gray adapter. This little gray adapter fits in the end and it removes the ground. So now there is no more ground on this device. So I'm going to plug it back into the same outlet, and this time, if you look real close, there's only one orange light lit up, and it's in the center column, and it says it's wired correctly, but it's missing the ground. Now when I get ready to press the black button, I want you to pay very close attention to the red light on this side. As I press it, you're going to see the red light comes on. I'm creating the ground fault, and it's not shutting off. I'm creating a short to the ground, and it's not shutting off. That isn't the whole story, because if I was to get somebody to hold on to this little green tab here in the end, and I was to press that button, it would send 110 volts, 10 amps coursing to that person's body for about 4 milliseconds, meet the ground, and then shut off. But I'd much rather have the grounding pin, wouldn't you? So make sure your extension cords have grounds on them, and that the outlet you're plugging into is a GFCI. So this will happen if there's a short.
Exceed Safety, the consulting you need. Exceed Safety, expectations exceeded. So call 919-728-SAFE.